Hi, my name is Tawana, and I work in the Vagisil Customer Care Team, and I worked there for over 10 years. I'm a product knowledge guru, and when they have questions about their intimate areas, we are here to talk about it, we're here to celebrate it, and we're also here to get some facts and some knowledge about how to better take care of our vaginas. When Vagisil says we're shameless about vaginal health, we're no longer talking about Vagisil and vaginas. We want to say it loud and proud. I have a vagina, and sometimes it itches, sometimes it's odor, and sometimes it's just not a good day down below. And I think every time that phone rings, every time an email comes in, every time my phone goes off with a bing, we're conquering to make everyone realize that is a vagina. Women have it, and we need to love it, know about it, and become more knowledgeable about it. And that's where I come in. Just ask Tawana.